Charlie Sheen is one of Hollywood's most talked-about actors. His name is often linked to scandals, a fiery personality, and turbulent chapters of his life. But behind the loud headlines, there is another side to him. Quiet, unseen, yet remarkably generous. Despite his controversial reputation, Charlie Sheen is known for unexpected acts of kindness. When he hears tragic stories in the news, families losing their homes, severe illnesses, financial crises, he immediately donates large sums. No publicity, no cameras, just action. When one family's house burned down, Charlie anonymously sent them $75,000. In another case, a child needed expensive medical treatment. Charlie covered the full cost. "I've been blessed. Why wouldn't I help?" he says. Scandals make the headlines, but kindness happens quietly. True character shows in what you do when no one is looking. Generosity doesn't require perfection, only heart.